Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For this afternoon and tonight, the following weather hazards can be expected. Thunderstorms. Some could produce isolated hail an inch diameter or greater. Damaging wind gusts. Areas affected in timing. There is a slight chance of thunderstorms across northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana late this evening and tonight. There is a slight chance that some of these thunderstorms may become severe across portions of east central Illinois and northwest Indiana, generally south of the line from Pontiac to Kankakee to Rensselaer. Now here is the hazardous weather discussion. Scattered thunderstorms are possible late this evening and tonight as a weak upper-level wave moves across the region. In addition, a low-level jet developing this evening will transport warm and moist air northward, providing favorable instability to the region. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. There is a chance of thunderstorms Thursday through Sunday. Organized severe weather is not expected. Areas of dense fog are expected, especially near Lake Michigan, Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be necessary tonight.